Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. El Salvador considers dropping its Bitcoin wallet amid an IMF agreement, while Wedbush sees the Fed-induced tech sell-off as a buying opportunity. Rivian Automotive opens doors for UAW unionization post-profitability, and Nike surpasses expectations with a GAAP EPS of 78 cents and $12.4 billion in revenue. Neil Cavuto exits Fox after 28 years. U.S. healthcare spending surges by 7.5% in 2023. OpenAI expands ChatGPT's capabilities within Apple apps. And Crown Castle nears an $8 billion fiber unit sale to TPG. Stay tuned after the short ad break to dive deeper into these stories. El Salvador intends to sell or discontinue its Bitcoin wallet, Chivo, after reaching a new agreement with the International Monetary Fund. As the first country to make Bitcoin legal tender, this represents a major change in its cryptocurrency approach.
Wednesday's stock market drop, caused by a less accommodating Federal Reserve, is viewed as a buying opportunity by Wedbush Securities. The firm reassures investors that this aligns with the Federal Reserve's ongoing strategy over recent years.
The United Auto Workers Union has reached a unique agreement with Rivian Automotive Incorporated. Details are confidential, but Bloomberg reports this deal marks a distinctive collaboration between the electric vehicle manufacturer and the union.
Nike's second quarter earnings per share were 78 cents, beating expectations by 15 cents. Revenue was $12.35 billion, exceeding forecasts by $240 million but down 7.8% compared to the previous year. Nike direct revenues totaled $5 billion, a decrease of 13% on a reported basis and even lower when adjusted for currency changes.
Neil Cavuto, a longtime anchor at Fox News, is departing the network with his contract ending this year. Sources suggest he was possibly offered a reduced salary. His last appearance will be on Your World this Thursday. Fox commended his 28-year career but has not yet announced a replacement.
U.S. healthcare spending increased by 7.5% in 2023, reaching $4.9 trillion. This rise was driven by non-price factors, as reported by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. Hospital care saw a surge of 10.4%, while retail prescription drug spending went up 11.4%. This increase was largely due to diabetes and weight loss treatments from Eli Lilly and Novo Nordisk.
OpenAI is making ChatGPT more autonomous by integrating it with Apple desktop applications. This advanced AI uses reasoning and planning to solve tasks independently, representing a major advancement for the startup.
TPG Incorporated, a private equity firm, is in advanced discussions to purchase Crown Castle's fiber unit for around $8 billion. Following this news, Crown Castle shares increased by 7% after hours. The deal, driven by activist investor Elliott Investment Management, might be completed within weeks but is still uncertain.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates. Goodbye. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.